Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Flexi Funnels. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Flexi Funnels is all-in-one super advanced and highly secured funnel builder. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up Webhook inside Flexi Funnels and send the data to other applications as an event happens. So here let's say that I'm running a business and by using Flexi Funnels, I have created a form. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Flexi Funnels, then automatically the details of that form submission should be captured in Pably Connect. So in order to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Flexi Funnels as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new form submission. So this trigger will start working whenever a new form submission will be received. So as the trigger event is of new form submission, I'm going to tell you that how you are going to receive the response of the form submission in Pably Connect once a form submission will be made through Flexi Funnels. So as I did that over here, you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Flexi Funnels account with Pably Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Flexi Funnels account. So this here is my Flexi Funnels account and over here this is my project. I will go to project settings and now on my left hand side I will go to this form that is by the name of PC integration. So I'm going to click on edit page. So this here is my form and now I'm in edit mode. So I will go to this element and I will go to the settings and over here under advanced settings I will go to this connect here button. So over here under integrations, I will go to Webhook because we are going to set up a connection by using a Webhook. So over here under Webhook name, I'm just going to remove this existing Webhook name and the existing Webhook URL in order to add a new Webhook URL. So here let's say that I'm going to give the Webhook name as new form submission. Now I need to mention the webhook URL in order to establish a connection. So from Pably Connect, I'm just going to copy this and over here in this field, I'm going to paste it. So once that is done, over here, I'm going to click on save. And you can see that successfully webhook updated. So I'm going to click save over here as well. And it is successfully saved. So once we have successfully saved the webhook inside this form, I'm going to click on this publish button. And now I'm going to wait for 2 minutes. So now as the URL has been published, I will go to action and go to published URL. So this here is my form and we have successfully connected this form with Pably Connect by adding a webhook URL. So over in Pably Connect as well, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to do a form submission. So here let's say that the first name is dummy and the last name is user. And the email ID is dummyyuser@pablytudes.com and this here is a dummy phone number. So once I fill in these details, I'm going to click on submit. And over here it says your data successfully saved. That means we have successfully made a form submission and the details of this form submission would have been captured in Pably Connect. So taking you to Pably Connect. And yes, over here you can see that I have received the response. So over here you can see the site ID. Over here is the phone number. Here you can see the last name. This here is the country code. You can see the first name and the email as well. So that means the form submission which I've just done. So the response of that form submission is successfully captured over here in Pably Connect. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside Flexi Funnels. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the response of that form submission will get captured in Pably Connect. So as over here, I've got the details of the form submission. So by clicking on this action window, I can add any action application where I want to send the data. So as I've got the response of the form submission over here in Pably Connect, that means we have successfully set up the webhook inside Flexi Funnels. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pably Connect. So you can reach us at support@pably.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pably.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pably Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.